Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe because you should. Today, look at my nice like natural look. Do we love this? Just a nice light gloss. I feel like I look very dainty and very hello. Anyway, so today I do have a very subtle look on because we're gonna be trying, that's not it. We're gonna be trying the Maybelline Snapscara, okay? I've been seeing this mascara everywhere. Maybelline was kind enough to send me this cute little like lunchbox ditty. Now, I've literally seen this everywhere. I've seen it as paid ads on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and I've just been seeing a lot of people trying it out as well. I haven't really like read any reviews. I tried to like stay away because I wanted to give an honest review, and as you guys know, my eyelashes suck. I typically always wear a false lash because my eyelashes are just, they grow like down and they're just like not cute. My brother and my sister got the good lashes and the good brows, and I just got like shit. So hi boy, he's right here. Does everyone want to say hello? Yes, you're the star of the show. Yes. Do you have food on your mind? Okay, then you go eat then. Now in here, I actually have two colors. There are three in total. There's a blue, there's a burgundy, and then there's a black. So I have the black and burgundy. It says it's on in a snap and off in a snap. So is that what this is claiming? It's on and off. Glides on smooth for a clean volume and defined lashes, made without pigment dulling waxes. So it's pigment dulling wax free. It's easy to remove, and it's a game-changing mascara. You can remove it with a cotton pad and warm water, which kind of makes me like kind of iffy because like, is it gonna flake then? Like that's my like number one concern. Like if I can just remove it with water, I don't know. Next thing, it literally says won't flake or fall off throughout the day and never tough to take off, and available in 3 shades, and it says it's $10.99 Canadian, so $11. So black cherry, deja blue, and pitch black. It's making me very nervous, and I feel like I should almost try and remove this in this video from my eyes as well. So I might wear it, come back, and then remove it. So we are just gonna try this guy out. I really like the packaging, I'm not gonna lie. I think it looks really sleek and really clean, and I love the little like stylized eyes on the side. I think that's just very kitschy and just very like trendy and in right now. I haven't even opened this. Let's look at the brush. Ooh, seems thick. Okay, so it's like a, oh, interesting. It's like a triangular curved bristle brush. Does that make sense? Like there is a curve to it. You see that? Interesting. I prefer bristle brushes over plastic brushes. I just find that with bristles, it separates and defines your lashes more just because the bristles are closer together as opposed to a plastic brush where I feel like it's more likely to clump. Anyway, let's curl my lashes and try this puppy on. Here's a little before for you guys to see. My eyelashes are very straight, very boring. I did put a little tiny brown liner on just to define my lash line a wee bit more. My lashes suck. They suck. Let's start with one eye. So I'm going to curl using my Shimura eyelash curler. Let's curl these lashes so you can get the real before. It might seem like that is really curled, but trust me, it's probably about to fall, okay? So let's try the black. What is this name? Is it just black? Pitch black. The formula seems to be like a little bit drier. I feel like there's not a ton on here. Okay. So my first thought is I am seeing like a lot of definition. Like I'm definitely like surprised that it's defining my lashes so much. Of course, my curl is already falling because that's what my lashes always do. It always falls. The curve on the brush is nice to kind of get in here and try and lift your lashes up. I really actually do like that. But I do feel like this is as much as this mascara is gonna do for my lashes, which like they're coated. So that's the first layer. Let me put them on my bottom lashes because I love my bottom lashes more than my top lashes, to be honest with you. Like, I feel like my bottom lashes get fuller than my top lashes. Does anyone else have this issue? So there's one layer. I really like the way it makes my bottom lashes look, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't even know why I try mascaras, because I just feel like my lashes, it just looks like my lash line. It doesn't look like there's any lift. It doesn't look like anything. And I just, like, my lashes are just truly, like, actually the worst. Is it the worst? Is it really that bad? Oh, I mean, for me, it's a mascara. I mean, I'm not like completely impressed with it by any means. I just feel like it does what every mascara does to my lashes, and it just coats them, and that's that. Like, I don't know what else to say about a mascara. That's just what it does. I am going to put some mascara on my other eye just to even it out, and I'm gonna curl it first, obviously. Not that it does anything. I really do like this brush though. There we go. Do I look like a completely different person? Both of my sides have dried, so I'm gonna go in with a second layer, see if that's gonna lift my lashes at all. And when I say my lashes are dried, they're like 80% dried, so they're still kind of malleable. So I can just like, nope, that's not really doing much. It's just like loading more on, and not, I don't know. Okay, I don't know about this mascara. I probably will use it for my bottom lashes, but like, I'm not getting much of what I want for my top lashes. I guess if this is like a new like revelation and it's wax free and it can be removed with just water, I guess that's an okay formula for that, but I don't know. I'm kind of underwhelmed. I'm not really living for this. I don't know. The formula is very thin, and I feel like with the brush, I can almost get a nice like base at the base of my lash, but as soon as I pull out, because the way the brush is curved, it just like kind of turns into like nothingness, and it's very like thin and like, yeah. This might be great for like if you want that kind of like no lash look. But for me, I don't think I'm living, unfortunately. I'm sorry, Maybelline. I really like a lot of your products, but this mascara is just not it for me. Why is this being promoted so hard? I don't get it. This is like, actually, I don't think I really like this. Oh, I'm gonna wear this throughout the day, you guys, and I am going to actually remove it a little bit later on. Once I come back, I have a whole bunch of appointments today. So I will check you guys back in a few hours. What time is it right now? It's 12:30 right now, and my cats are fighting. It's 12:20, so we're gonna see how this goes. All right, guys, we're back. What time is it? It's 7:19. So I've had this on for quite a while. It actually hasn't flaked throughout the day, which I'm pretty impressed about. I have a different top on because I went to all my appointments. So this thing said that you can remove it. So the claim of this mascara is that you can remove it with a cotton pad and warm water. So it's supposed to be like game changing. And baby is here and she's trying to get to my warm water. So I have a glass of warm water. This glass is very dirty. This is my brush washing glass. Does anyone like sacrifice one of their wine glasses for that? I do. And I also got some cotton pads, so we're gonna see how this removes. I also brought here, I also brought some Bioderma, just micellar water, and then baby, why are you trying to drink this? Some Clinique makeup remover. I love this stuff. If you guys are looking for a makeup remover, this is the Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Love this stuff. So let's try and remove this. I'm super impressed that it didn't flake throughout the day. I really thought it was going to, you guys. Like, I swear to you, I really did. And looking at my lashes, they're not like terrible. This mascara like isn't completely terrible. I think that this morning I was just like really harsh on it. It's a very clean look. Like, I could definitely see like putting this in my kit or something for a very like natural look, and that's what I'm gonna say about it. And you know what? That's what some people want. Baby really wants this cup of water that I have here. So I don't know really what I'm supposed to do with this. I guess I'll let it soak and then wring it out. Oh my god, it's so warm. So apparently I'm supposed to be able to take this off. So here we go, you guys. A cotton pad and warm water. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, I love it. I wish I could like come out with skincare that was like warm when you put it on your face. Because that's one thing I hate about skincare is, I'm just gonna let this soak on there for a bit. It is cold. Ah! So it is like deteriorating it. But is it gonna, oh, this is a mess. Let's soak it on here a little bit longer. You guys, I legit got hit by a car. Okay, like I got hit by a car on my way home. I was stopping somewhere and I had to like cross the parking lot, and then I was walking behind the vehicles just as you do in any parking lot when you try to get to the entrance, and this guy literally backed up into me, and like it was like a mess. I don't know if I'm hurt. I feel like I am. We'll see. Well, this has officially actually removed my mascara, which is pretty phenomenal if you ask me. That's actually pretty cool that it can be removed with just water. Wow. But now you can see where I thought that this was gonna flake, like if it can just be removed with water. I thought it was gonna flake. I will note this, I do not have oily skin whatsoever. My skin is super dry, so I don't ever find that my bottom lash line ever transfers onto the top of my cheek. But if maybe you have oily skin or longer lashes, that may be the case. I'm really not sure. Okay, you guys. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It actually comes off with warm water. And the mascara stayed on for hours. It didn't flake, which I'm super impressed about. I haven't even touched up my makeup. So yeah, I guess this is a thumbs up. It's not the dramatic lash that I really like, but that's what lash, not extensions, ew, false lashes are for. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It sounds like I'm British now, so oh my god. Okay, I need to go. Okay, bye guys.